everyone, this is Daryl with the Falcon 64 project. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I have for you bearings being put on the Posi unit. I didn't do an intro to that video, so I just had to do this little sound bite to get us there. Please enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Anyways, just starting to put the bearings on my Posi. I already did one side, and I was going to show you how I did on this next side. So what I do, just put a little oil around here, try to lube up the mating surface, try to sit that on there as squarely as I can. Then I have this bearing race and seal driver kit from Harbor Freight. Just match that right up to this. Flat. Couldn't get an exact one to sit there and fit inside, but that's alright. Let me tighten that up real quick. You want to hit right on the race. You want to get it on there nice and square. Then it pretty much starts itself. Now this is the part I hate, because it is not seated all the way down. So the next part, take on the other side. You want to make sure that you do not want to hit on the cage, so you want to hit it right on the race. And basically you're going to work yourself back and forth. Okay everybody, I got that last one tapped on the final way. As you can see, right up against the base. You definitely want to be careful when you're doing that. You do not want to hurt the cage of the bearings. I don't know if you can see that, but I tried to stay right on that race going around, and finish tapping it on the rest of the way. There goes the race on that. Of course, these go in the carrier, and then this one goes on the other side. So, alrighty. Next we'll be tying the ring gear to this and using the new bolts and Loctiting those. I'll bring you back when I got it all set up to do that. Alright everybody, I got the bolts out, the ring gear out,
what I'm gonna do is, these are the 1.5 inch, so I just want to remind everybody, if you're putting a Posi in new set of gears, you need the 1.5 inch. Is it 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch? Let me look real quick. They're 1.25 inch. It's a set of 10. Just kind of pull this up. What I'm trying to do is just put a couple of them in, pull it tight. What I'm just gonna do with these is I'm gonna put a, when I Loctite them, I'm just gonna put a Sharpie mark on top of them. That way I know I've already pulled those out and pulled those tight. Alright everyone, just came back from my buddy's place. He helped me torque down. Numbers are 70 psi, or 70 foot-pounds. So everything's Loctited and torqued down to what the specifications are. Ring gear's nice and mounted. Alright, y'all stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.